Hi all, welcome to my little world of baking. Today we are going to make a pizza dough. So here I've taken 300 grams of all-purpose flour, to which I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Again I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Adding yeast. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary. One-fourth teaspoon of basil. One-fourth teaspoon of oregano. That's it. You can mix all the dry ingredients together. Mix it well and make a well in the center. Here I'm going to add water. Now I'm adding 200 ml of water to my 300 grams of flour mixture. Then mix it. Now add water as required. Once the dough comes together, we're going to let it rest, say for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to cover this and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now we are going to roast the garlics. Here I've taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 full garlic. I'm going to place this on the stove top and I'm going to let it cook until it is slightly soft and slightly roasted. While our garlic is roasting, we are going to roast our tomatoes. Now I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil and placed the tomatoes and I've been roasting it say for 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to cover it and keep it. So our dough has been resting for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to do the kneading. So our dough is ready. I'm going to place this in a greased bowl and I'm going to let it proof for say probably for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. So we'll come back once the dough is double in size. Okay, now we can see our dough is doubled in size. Now we are going to deflate this. Now I'm stretching the dough. To the greased pan, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal. So I'm going to stretch this as much as possible. Transferring the dough to the pizza plate. Now topping the dough with roasted garlic, roasted and de-skinned garlic. Again topping with de-skinned roasted tomatoes, which we have chopped. Topping with chilies. Now basil, sprinkling a little bit of basil, oregano, now feta cheese. Now sprinkling a little bit of salt, a little bit of chili flakes. Finally pouring a little bit of that garlic oil what we have. Preheat your oven to the maximum temperature that you have. Here my oven is preheated to 300 degree. This is my oldest oven that I have and this is one of the best oven to make pizza. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 300 degrees say for exactly 7 to 8 minutes. My pizza is baked and ready exactly by 8 minutes. I'm taking it out of the oven. You can see them. So our pizza is ready for tasting. I hope you all will love this too. Happy baking!